Today we're going to be doing a tune-up on an Easy Go gas golf cart. It looks to be like a late 90s, early 2000s. The customer complaint was it was sputtering a little bit, so his idea was to order a new carb. I told him while he's at it, the fuel pumps on these things, which is right there, are prone to going out, so we might as well replace it. We're going to also replace the fuel filter, the air filter. Not sure what that is. I believe that might be the pickup screen that goes in the fuel tank and the plugs. First thing first, to get the seat off, fold it up, and once you got the fuel pump installed, come back over here to your carburetor. Pop that linkage back on. Make sure this nut is loose. Run this down in there. You shouldn't have to worry about where it's at. You just want it to be free. Connect your breather hose. Start with my studs. When you're tightening bolts down like this, that are more than one bolt, you want to go in a crisscross pattern, no matter what it is. So we're going to go that one. I'm going to tighten them. They feel about the same resistance.